Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to fix Google Drive not working. Let's get started by identifying the core issue that many users face with Google Drive. Whether you're experiencing trouble with uploads that never seem to finish, files that refuse to sync, an app that stubbornly won't open, or a web version that lags or fails to load in your browser, you're in the right place. This in-depth guide will lead you through each step to diagnose and resolve these persistent problems. So, let's dive in and tackle these issues head-on. To begin, it's essential to determine whether the problem is on your end or if it's an external issue with Google services. A quick and effective way to check this is by visiting Google's Workspace Status Dashboard. Alternatively, websites like Down Detector can provide insights into whether there's a widespread outage affecting Google Drive. If there's a known issue, it might just be a waiting game until Google resolves it on their end. However, if everything seems operational globally, it's time to look closer to home. The next critical step is to verify your internet connection, as a stable connection is key, especially if you're having trouble with uploads or syncing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test the stability of your network. Sometimes, simply rebooting your router can solve connectivity issues. If you're using tools like VPNs, proxies, or firewalls, try disabling them temporarily to see if that clears up the problem. It's also very important to check your Google Drive storage and account limits. Make sure you haven't hit your storage quota, as a full drive can stop uploads dead in their tracks. Likewise, if you're syncing files to your desktop, ensure that your hard drive has enough available space. For those accessing Drive via a browser, clearing your cache and cookies or using an incognito window can often resolve unexpected performance glitches. If you're using Drive for desktop, try quitting and relaunching the application. If that doesn't work, reinstalling the app might be necessary. On mobile, closing the app and clearing its cache can also sort out issues. Keeping your applications and browser updated to the latest versions can prevent compatibility issues that could disrupt Google Drive's functionality. In some cases, specific files or folders may be causing issues, particularly if they're unusually large or not supported by Google Drive. Try breaking these files into smaller parts. For desktop sync settings, if shared drive folders aren't showing up correctly, there could be conflicts in the file paths. Another important area to explore is your security software and permissions. Antivirus and firewall programs sometimes block Google Drive's syncing capabilities. If temporarily deactivating these security measures resolves your issue, you'll know where to make adjustments. On browsers, disabling extensions might help if plugins are causing conflicts. Also, double-check that you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts. For more advanced and device-specific solutions, Windows users might find running the Drive app as an administrator helpful. If persistent issues remain, uninstalling and reinstalling might be the answer. Chromebook users should check the Files app, restart the device, and verify storage space if Drive files aren't displaying as they should. If you're using both Google Drive for desktop and backup and sync, it's advisable to choose just one to avoid conflicts. By following these steps, you should be able to address most issues you encounter with Google Drive connectivity. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and you're back to using Google Drive smoothly and efficiently. That's it for this tutorial on how to fix Google Drive not working. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.